Billionaire Row, Train of Murder, South Beach Club Amnesia, Florida, Jlo, Selena Housekeeping, Sable Building Overtown.
It happened, and she was told she had to lie about it. And guess what? That lie held up until that boy turned 18 and he started having ideas of what he wanted to do with what he inherited, because the paperwork was set up for Faith to not be able to receive $1 from Biggie's estate unless it was for little Christopher. And she only had one child with Christopher. The other children who required taking care of and feeding and all of that, all of them couldn't be fed off of Christopher Wallace's money. They weren't his kids. See how that works?